Alright, so today we will be unboxing the Bentley Continental GT3 and the Lamborghini Gallardo LP560-4. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun video. Starting off, we're gonna be unboxing this right here. So yeah, we're gonna be starting off with the Bentley, not the Bentley, the Lambo. And okay, I'll just have to get behind this bad boy. Okay, so you can see it right here, and if there's any tape around it, might be. Oh, there's a piece of tape right here. That's gonna be good. Not bad for me, but at least it doesn't. At least there's no tape. Cause is there another piece of tape? No. Okay. Okay. Let me just see this and it's like it's okay. Now we've got this. Yeah, so it's got these things on the back, and I got prepared because I've got my screwdriver. But yeah, so it's gonna be quite complicated, harder than the other one we done yesterday. Is this the way? Might be the other way. Yeah, definitely. Oh my god. Is this gonna ever come out? Yep, it's coming. I'm sure. Or is it not? Is this too big? I think this is way too big. Nope. It's fine. It's like it's not coming out. It's like one of those cars that never wants to come out. Okay, I'll need to get this out. This might be a fail video. Not coming out! Yo, did they build this to not come out? I'm gonna pause this embarrassing moment. Yeah. I don't think I can do this, guys. Oh, God. Don't tell me just the way it acts. Oh, it is. Alright, so we got this bad boy out. Let's see if the doors will open. And they do. Will the hood open or the back? Can they open? Seems no, but now we're gonna be moving on to the. Where's the Bentley? The Bentley's over here. Alright, so you can see the Bentley right there. We're gonna start off by unboxing it. So let's unbox this part. It's literally like the hardest thing to peel off tape. What? I don't get this. They make it hard to pull these things out. Did they deliberately do this? Okay, we got this out. You can see the car. Yeah. I can tell it's coming out. Or was it the other way? Kind of forgot. Can't remember. It's like the most hardest thing to do. It is literally, God, doesn't want to fit in. I think it's coming. Hold on, guys. Be patient. Listen, I can't do this. I think it might have just been a one video. I'll try. I can tell it's like an impossible. Oh, I guess I can just rip it out. Yeah, whatever, we got it. We got it out. They're both quite small. Are these like the doors to, oh no, the classic doors? But you can see they're actually very small. Alright, let's see if I can fit in this. Or is it just gonna be a fail? I don't know if that worked. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun time showcasing these cars.